Hey everyone, ever get lost in an Amazon shopping spree? Yeah, me too. But have you ever wondered how this online giant actually works? Let's dive in. Amazon started in 1994. Jeff Bezos, the founder, had a simple idea: sell books online. Little did he know, fast forward to today, and Amazon's basically the everything store. Books, gadgets, clothes, groceries, you name it, they probably sell it. But there's way more to Amazon than meets the eye. Behind those add to cart buttons lies a mind-blowing operation. Think warehouses bigger than football fields and delivery trucks galore. So what exactly makes Amazon tick? Well, it's more than just an online store. It's like a giant online mall with different shops inside. First, there's the classic Amazon.com. This is where you'll find millions of products sold directly by Amazon. Think of it like the anchor store at the mall, always busy. Then there's Amazon Marketplace. This is where other businesses, big and small, can sell their stuff alongside Amazon's own products. It's like all the smaller shops in the mall, offering even more variety. But wait, there's more. Amazon also offers services like Amazon Prime, with fast shipping and streaming entertainment. It's like the mall's VIP program, offering perks you can't resist. Okay, time for some mind-blowing stats. Ready? Amazon rakes in over $450 billion in revenue annually. That's more than the GDP of some countries. And get this, they employ over 1.5 million people worldwide. That's like the entire population of Philadelphia working for Amazon, but it's not just their size that's impressive, it's their reach. Amazon ships to over 100 countries. That means they're delivering packages to almost every corner of the globe. These numbers show just how massive Amazon has become. They're not just a company, they're a global force in e-commerce. Section 4, from click to doorstep. Amazon's delivery magic. Ever wonder how that new phone case gets from Amazon's warehouse to your doorstep in like 2 days? It's all thanks to their incredible logistics system. Imagine this: giant warehouses or fulfillment centers strategically placed around the world. These places are buzzing with robots and people working 24/7 to get your orders packed and shipped. Once your order is ready, it hops onto a delivery truck, plane, or even a drone. Yep, Amazon's testing out drone delivery for even faster service. The future is now. This complex network of warehouses, transportation, and technology is the backbone of Amazon's success. It's what allows them to deliver millions of packages quickly and efficiently. Section 5. Brains behind the buy button tech that wows. But it's not just robots and trucks that make Amazon run. There's a lot of brainpower involved too. Amazon uses some seriously cool technology to keep things running smoothly. First up, artificial intelligence, or AI. Amazon uses AI to personalize your shopping experience. Ever notice how Amazon recommends products you might like? That's AI at work. Then there are algorithms. These are like sets of instructions that help Amazon determine things like product pricing and delivery routes. They're constantly crunching data to make sure you're getting the best possible experience. And let's not forget about cloud computing. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a huge part of their business. It's like renting out their massive computer power to other companies. Pretty smart, right? So, the next time you click Buy Now, remember that there's a whole lot of tech wizardry happening behind the scenes to make it all possible.